How many tabs have you got open right now? So as you can see, I'm working on several projects at the moment and I'm multitasking. So there'll be times I'm working on a Google Doc, going into Canva, and then need to upload it to YouTube, and then I may be working on my podcast. So I need them all open. I can come up with new ideas, and I just want these tabs open. Later on in the day, you realize that, okay, you know what, I need to close some of this because it's slowing down my computer. So you start closing these tabs. So you go into Google, you're like, I don't need that one. Got another Google one open. I've got my Pinterest one open. I don't need that one. And then you accidentally close the tab that you are actually working on, like my Canva one. I'm like, oh no, I've just closed the design. I need it back. The quickest way to undo any tabs that you've closed, all you need to do is go to your keyboard, you click on the control key all at the same time, control the shift key that's got the arrow pointing up, and then the letter T, and that reinstates the tab that you closed. But you can also do it again, control, shift with the arrow pointing up and the T, and it'll open up even the previous tab before that. And you can keep going and keep going. So that is how you reinstate any tabs that you've accidentally closed on your Google Chrome browser.